Hey guys, and what is up, and welcome back to Vlogmas day 25. Isn't that crazy? I just woke up, so if I look a hot mess, that's why. And I mean, realistically, I always kind of look a hot mess, so who am I to excuse it? Anyways, I wanted to show y'all what I got for Christmas. I got a lot. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. One of the things is hiding, but let me grab it really quick. Okay, so let's get started. A lot of these gifts are from Matthew's parents. There's some from my parents, and just honestly something I asked for myself, let's be real. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is sitting right behind me. This is a gift from Matthew and I. It's a comforter. So we got a new bed not too long ago. How long was it? Maybe like, gosh, okay, maybe it has been a while. Maybe it's been like 4 months or so. But we got a new bed. It's a California King. So it's really, really big. And all of our comforters are queen, either queen or king. I'm pretty sure most of them are king. But the one that we have is a king. So it barely kind of goes to the end, to the edges. So obviously when Matt and I lay down on our corners, we kind of thief the blanket from each other. So we asked Matthew's mom to get us a California King comforter. So it's this really, really pretty like beigey color. This is the bag that it came in. So it's this really pretty beige color, which is actually perfect. It fits our bedding, our like bed frame pretty well. Oh no, my hair is kind of messed up below. So it fits our bed frame pretty well, so I'm pretty excited about that. I also got this book. It's nothing like the movies. I've actually been wanting to read this book. It's by Lynn Painter, but what makes this special is that it's the signed copy. So I'm honestly thinking that it may be best. So here's the signature. Pretty cool. I'm excited. She is one of my favorite authors, but I am thinking about getting the book on either Libby or on Audible, just so I don't ruin the book. But yeah, just so I don't ruin the book, because it kind of get creased and stuff. So I don't know, maybe I'll do that. So we'll see. I also got this little charging card from Matthew's mom. It's pretty cool. It's actually like really, really thin. Let me take it out of the box. It's really thin. It's intended for you to kind of put it in your wallet and fit in your bag and barely take any room. So it's really, really thin. It's pretty neat. I really like it. And Matthew was kind of trying it out last night, and he was able to get a charge pretty quickly. So it's pretty exciting, especially since we go to a lot of concerts and shows and sporting events. So that'll definitely be useful in those types of situations. So pretty excited about that. I also got this. Matthew's mom gifted this to me and Matthew's sister. It's like a little shower cap, and mine's a little cheetah print. It's cute. I've actually never owned a shower cap, just because I've always like, honestly, like my hair would get really oily really fast. It's really not the case anymore. So I think this will definitely come in handy. So I'm pretty excited about that. And yeah, it's really cute. I like the print. And it's by this company. It looks like it's a Christian company, because the name of the company is called Grace and Company. And inside it says, "It is by grace we have been saved, and this is not of yourself. It is a gift of God." That's cute. Anyway, so that's the second thing that I got. Well, third, because I showed you all the book, the card, and then that. Okay. Kristen, his sister, got me this. It's one of the mini brands, but it's like a DIY kit. I still need to make this. I opened it up last night, but I got a little intimidated while everybody was here, so I figured we could save it for another time. Matthew also got one. He got like what was it, Matthew? Like a DIY sword?
Lord of the Rings.
A Lord of the Ring, like you kind of DIY'd your own sword, so that was pretty neat. I also got this little computer cover, computer sleeve with like a little bag for like accessories and stuff. So since we got our MacBook Air, this is definitely going to come in handy, since we've been carrying it around basically naked, so it needs some protection. So we'll definitely be using that here shortly. What else? So I got these two vinyls. This one's I can't pronounce it. But what did you say, Matthew? She opened up for Taylor Swift? She opened up for Taylor Swift. So it's pretty cool. I'm excited to listen to it because I don't remember her music. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And then I got Brandon Lake. I love Brandon Lake. I love his music. So I'm pretty excited to listen to this. I don't think it has, no, it doesn't have my favorite song. But I just love all of his music. So I'm really excited to listen to that. This was a thing that I asked for. For my computer, for when I'm working, I can put my, like, it's like a little wrist, I don't know, it's cute. I'm excited. So I got this. What's interesting is that this one smells, what is it, like a baguette or something? I don't know. It smells like, I don't know what to describe it as, like, it smells like bread, but like sweet bread. It's pretty interesting and it smells really, really good. I'm actually gonna put this on the table just in case Caesar gets curious. Y'all already saw this, but I also got the Stanley Cup that I've been wanting. So this is the Stanley by collaboration with Love Shack Fancy, and it has like a little bow. It's so cute. Even the straw is like pink. So I'm really excited about this. I have the box over here. The box is really pretty. I hate to say, I'm usually not the type of person that keeps a box, but I may be keeping this and saving it like in my closet because it's so cute. I don't know, maybe I won't. No, I think I will, just because the box is so pretty. And two, like, they make it feel so luxe. That's the thing about like Love Shack Fancy, is that they do make it feel like really expensive and luxe. Okay, I also got this. My parents got me this. So I have a creamy keyboard, and with that you can change the keycaps. So I got these keycaps. They're like colorful. They look like candies, and I love them. They're so cute. I can't wait to do this. I may record a TikTok or even, I don't know, maybe a TikTok or a YouTube video. Maybe both, I don't know, but it's pretty cool. I'm really excited to do that. This would be my first time changing the keycaps from like what it came in, so I'm looking forward to that. What else? I'm trying to like kind of move things out of the way. My alarm went off. We're supposed to go to Matthew's parents. This I'm so excited about. It's the Torture Poets Department bag. Matthew's mom got me this. She got me and Matthew's sister the matching one. It's the same one, so we had to open it together. But look how pretty. I'm so excited. When I saw this, I actually was like, oh, that is really nice. Like, I would love to have that, but obviously like it was pricey, so, and I wasn't gonna buy, I don't know, I just like, when it comes to bags, Matthew in the background, when it comes to bags, like, I don't really buy a lot of bags for myself, but this is really, really nice, and I can wear it like crossbody, or I can even wear it like this. So really, I may actually wear it today. That'd be a good idea. Anyways, so that is all I got for Christmas. Right now, actually, in a little bit, we're gonna go to Matthew just made me a coffee time. We're gonna go to Matthew's parents' house because we always do Christmas Day at their house, and we have like, we open up our stockings and we have some turkey and, wait, no turkey, just ham. We have some ham and just all the fixings with it. So I'm pretty excited about that. Anyways, so Vlogmas is over. With that being said, isn't that crazy? I'm still going to be vlogging. Obviously, I'm still going to be around. So I will see y'all pretty soon. Probably not for the rest of the week, but I'll be back. I will put it up on the community section of my YouTube channel so y'all can see. It'll pop up as like a little post, and I will see y'all very soon. So I love you guys. Thank you for keeping up with me, for putting up with me. I appreciate y'all. Happy holidays, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye. Mwah. Hey you guys, editing Anabel here. I'm editing really quick before I head out, but I got just a couple of clips, nothing like major, but just a couple of seconds on my phone of like Christmas Eve opening all the gifts. So I wanted to include that, so I'll include that in the next couple of clips. For cards, so 10 cents for everything. We put Christmas in church.
Moonlight pinks through the curtains. Another night, another fight.
No copyright strikes today. Maybe tomorrow.
Do you
Go.
feel? Are you hurt?
Yeah, go. Go. Yeah.
Maybe we should take some time. Alright. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us.
By the time that